Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Galaxy Tab i8 and I want to show you how add website shortcuts icon to your home screen on this device. First step to do it is opening Google Chrome application. In it, find your website which you want to add to your home screen or shortcuts icon, and where we are on it, we press three dots on the right corner and there choose add to home screen. In this part we can custom name of our shortcuts icon, we can delete something, write something new, what you need and prefer. And after you customize it, press add, and that's all. We have our shortcuts icon on our home screen right now. Or I can add it, I do it again. Add to home screen, confirm by add and add again. And that's all, now we have it. Thanks for watching, bye!